This is the AI News Flash for March 4th, 12 a.m. UTC. First up, Junyang Lin, the tech lead of Alibaba's open-source Qwen AI project, has stepped down from his role. Lin joined Alibaba in 2019 and became part of the Qwen team in 2023, serving as the public face of one of China's most successful open-source AI model families. The departure came just after the launch of Qwen 3.5 small models. Fellow researcher Wenting Zhao described it as the end of an era. Another Qwen researcher, Kaixin Li, also announced a departure around the same time, raising concerns about the project's future direction. Next, silicon photonics startup Ayar Labs has closed a $500 million Series E round, reaching a $3.8 billion valuation. The round was led by Neuberger Berman, with NVIDIA, AMD, MediaTek, the Qatar Investment Authority, ARK Invest, and Sequoia Capital among the investors. Ayar's technology replaces copper interconnects inside AI data centers with light-based connections, delivering 4 to 20 times greater throughput per watt compared to copper. This follows NVIDIA's $2 billion investments each in Lumentum and Coherent, confirming that silicon photonics is becoming the next critical battleground in AI infrastructure. In government AI news, a NASCIO survey reveals that 8 U.S. states are already deploying Agentic AI capabilities. Alaska is adding Agentic features to its state mobile app, including proactive notifications and dynamic form filling. Virginia ran a pilot using Agentic AI to scan regulations and identify redundancies. NASCIO outlined a 5-phase adoption framework, noting that most states remain at the first phase, where humans are still the primary decision makers. Legacy system incompatibility and government risk aversion remain key barriers, but the shift toward autonomous AI in public services is clearly gaining momentum. Finally, Minnesota has deployed AI-powered fraud detection to combat Medicaid fraud, including fraud committed using AI-generated documents. The state partnered with Optum, a UnitedHealth subsidiary, to analyze claims data using machine learning. The system flags suspicious billing patterns, such as providers billing for dozens of client meetings daily. The effort has already led to 15 criminal charges and recovered $3.5 million from a housing services fraud scheme. Prosecutors estimate potential fraud exposure at $9 billion across 14 Medicaid programs. Notably, investigators found that bad actors had been using ChatGPT to create fake emails and progress notes, making this a real-world case of AI being used to fight AI-powered fraud. That's all for this AI News Flash.